Hi guys, it's Erik-Weisz with a new lockpicking video. The lock I have today is this Robur safe deposit box lock. It's a small lock that looks quite innocent, but in fact it's a smaller version of the Assa Twin, which means that it has pins in the main stack and also side pins. But in contrast to the Assa Twin, it has only 5 main stack pins and 4 side pins. So that it's also probably a good preparation for the later black belt lock. And like the Assa Twin, this one comes in various configurations, and this one has 3 gins with matching countermilling. So picking is not so easy. But now, without further ado, let's put this thing in a vise and see if we can get it picked. All right, the Robur safe deposit box lock is now in the vise. Here's the key. Works smoothly. And as you can see, the core can only be rotated 90 degrees. So we have to tension clockwise, and for tensioning I use this multi-pick pry bar. And for picking I use this multi-pick G Pro 07 for the side pins and this Peterson gem for the main stack. And I start with setting the side pins. Number 2 is binding. 3 is no binding. 4, 3 and 2 again, and 1. Feels quite okay. So let's try the main stack. Three is binding, 5 and 4, now 2, and we have a good core rotation now. And now we are probably in the gins. And I have to set them. It's number 2, 4 and 5. And there we go. All right, then let's have a look what's inside and cut this thing. And first of all, we have to remove the cam piece here by removing 2 screws. Let's use a pinning tray for collecting the parts. That's the cam piece made of plastic. And now let's close it up again. And when gutting, it's a good idea to use a follower, of course, and also to rotate the core slightly clockwise, because otherwise there's a risk of that the drivers are pushed into a hole that is there in the core, and then we can carefully slide it out, I hope. And there we go. Let's put the core in a core holder for now. And let's have a look at the drivers first. Oh, yeah, okay. Let's take them out one by one. And one is a standard. Number 2, is a gin. Number 3 is the standard. Number 4 is a gin. Oh, number 5 is also a gin. All right. Then we have some springs. Should be 5, ideally. Let's have a look at the core. Let's take out the key pins first. That's number 1. These are all standard, so nothing special about them. And number 5. So let's turn this around. Come on. Then let's take the sidebar out. It's here. It's this Assa Twin type of sidebar. Maybe you can see it. Focuses a bit. And there are 2 little springs. For the sidebar. Then you can, I think, remove the key. Take care that the side pins do not jump out, and there they are. The focus is too bad. And we can take it out here. And there we have the 4 side pins. Also with their springs. And here's the core. Oops. As you can see, it has matching countermilling in chambers 1, 2, 4, and 5, which means that the gins in chambers 2, 4, and 5 are working together with these, which makes picking a bit hard. All right, otherwise nothing special about the housing. And let's give a close-up of all that. Let's arrange it a bit nicely. And here we go. That's the Robur safe deposit box lock with gins. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time. Bye bye.